Hello everyone, welcome back to The Greatest. I'm Cherry, and this channel is about success-driven tools and strategies for new bloggers to achieve clarity and focus. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog about homeschooling, and links to all the blogging tools that I will use today will be in the description. So let's get started. The first step that we need to do is find a good domain name, something that is easy to remember. So for this, I will use Namecheap, and then I will buy homeschooling for busymoms.com. Click search, and there you go. The domain name is available for $6.98 for the first year, and then after that, that's $8.88. So let me just add to cart. Excuse me. All right, then check out. All right, all good, all good. And then confirm order. All right, so for this purchase, I'm going to use my PayPal account. Aside from PayPal, you can also pay using your credit card or debit card. But in my case, I always use PayPal for my online transactions. So I'll just click checkout with PayPal. All right, so after processing the payment through PayPal, I went back to my dashboard at namecheap.com, and there it is. I have my domain name, homeschoolingforbusymoms.com. Alright, so we're done with step one. Let us proceed to step two, and that is to purchase our web host. Now that we're done with step one, let us proceed to step two, and that is to purchase web hosting. For this, I'm using Interserver. Again, they have a promotion right now where you can get web hosting for just $1 for 3 months. And then moving forward, it's going to be $5 a month. That's the regular price for standard hosting. But the longer you stay, the higher the discount you will get. Okay, so right now I am on my dashboard. I will click buy more under web hosting. Alright, next is I will enter my domain name, homeschooling for busymoms.com. Alright, so it's telling me that the domain name is registered because we just purchased it a while ago. So, and proceed only if you already know that domain, which I do. So I'll just continue. And in my case, since I already have an account with them, I'm no longer eligible for the discount. So I am paying the regular price of $5 per month for web hosting. Click proceed. Alright. And I just need to scroll down, tick the box, and place the order. Alright, so we're almost done. Same thing, I'm going to use my PayPal account for this order. So I'll just click pay with PayPal. Alright, so I was able to get a confirmation from PayPal that the I was able to pay $5. So let me refresh the page to check if the payment went through. And there you go. Alright, so it says here 0, which means, yeah, the payment did go through. Let us go back to our dashboard or home page. View all. And there it is. Homeschooling for busy moms. Standard web hosting. Alright. We're done with step 1 and step 2. Okay. We're done with step 1 and step 2. Step 3 is we need to link our domain name and web hosting. So for this, let me go back to Namecheap first. Go to the domain name and click manage. Alright, scroll down. Under name servers, choose custom DNS and then go back to Interserver. Click our new website. There you go. And get the default DNS server, these two. So we need to copy and paste it at Namecheap. Alright, and then the checkbox. And there you go. So there's a pop-up here that says it will take about 48 hours to take effect. But based on my experience, it only takes about 20 to 30 minutes. So it doesn't really take that long. So our work is done here with Namecheap. Let me just log out. Alright. Okay. And then go back to Interserver. So the next thing we need to do is to install WordPress. So for this, you need to scroll down, click Login to CPanel. Alright, so here's our CPanel. Let's scroll down and look for WordPress. There you go. And then just click Install Now. Then we will remove WP, and I'll just edit this one to Homeschooling for busy moms. Homeschooling made easy. I'll change these later. Scroll down and then click install. Alright, there you go. So it says here that we have successfully installed WordPress. Let's check if